Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Pulse. This innovative design combines the best of three worlds: the agility of a tricycle, the convenience of a folding camper, and the sustainability of an electric-powered vehicle. Whether you're a solo traveler, an adventurer seeking off-grid experiences, or just someone who loves minimalist camping, this compact Trike camper is a game-changer. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic cargo tricycle with a sleek aerodynamic shell, but with a few simple adjustments, it transforms into a fully functional micro-camper. The frame is made of lightweight but durable materials, such as carbon fiber and aluminum, keeping it sturdy yet easy to maneuver. When folded, the camper section sits neatly at the rear, looking like an extended cargo compartment. But once parked, the camper expands within minutes, revealing a compact sleeping space, storage compartments, and even a small kitchenette. Unlike traditional bicycles or tricycles, this model is equipped with an advanced electric assist system, making it effortless to ride even when carrying extra weight. The battery is designed to last up to 100 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and load. It also features solar panels on the roof, which help recharge the battery while you're parked or riding in sunlight. This makes it perfect for long-distance travelers who want to stay off the grid without worrying about running out of power. Inside the expanded camper, you'll find a cozy space designed for maximum efficiency. The sleeping area unfolds into a comfortable bed, large enough for one or two people, depending on the model. Beneath the bed, there's smart storage for camping gear, clothes, and essentials. A fold-out table and a pair of compact chairs are included, providing a functional space for eating, working, or just relaxing. For food preparation, the kitchenette includes a small but powerful induction cooktop, powered by the solar battery system. A retractable sink with a built-in water reservoir ensures you can wash up easily, and there's space for a mini fridge or a cooler. It also comes with an optional attachable awning, extending your living space outdoors, so you can cook or relax in the shade. The camper tricycle isn't just about physical comfort, it's also designed for modern convenience. With built-in USB charging ports, a Wi-Fi hotspot feature, and even a small dashboard display for navigation and ride stats, you'll stay connected no matter where you roam. For safety, it includes GPS tracking, built-in LED headlights and taillights, and an anti-theft lock system to secure both the bike and the camper. This folding camper tricycle is perfect for different kinds of travelers. Urban commuters who want a flexible way to work remotely while on the move. Digital nomads looking for an eco-friendly alternative to vans or RVs. Campers and explorers who love micro-camping with minimal environmental impact. Retirees or long-distance cyclists who want a comfortable but sustainable way to tour new places. While the price depends on customization options, a basic model starts around $4,000, and, with premium models featuring additional solar panels, extended battery range, and larger sleeping areas reaching up to $7,000 and it's expected to launch in mid-2025, with pre-orders available in select regions. The 2025 folding camper tricycle represents a shift in how we approach travel, offering freedom, sustainability, and convenience in one compact package. Whether you're exploring the countryside, taking an extended road trip, or just looking for a new way to live adventurously, this innovative ride is opening doors to a whole new world of exploration. Would you take one of these tricycle campers on an adventure? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting innovations in travel and mobility. See you in the next adventure.